Are you tired of flushing money down the toilet every month? The Hydro-Right Toilet Conversion Kit is your easy and low-cost solution. The kit converts standard toilets into water-saving dual flush toilets in less than 20 minutes. No experience is required. You can install it yourself without any tools. It's that easy. With the Hydro-Right, you can save over $100 on your water bill per year. And you and your family will save thousands of gallons of water, enough to fill up a standard swimming pool every year. To use, simply push the top button to flush with minimal water, or the bottom for a more powerful flush. Buy a Hydro-Right conversion kit today and encourage your family to conserve water together and save money year after year.
A tankless water heater heats the water directly without the use of a storage tank. When a hot water tap is turned on, cold water travels through a pipe into the unit. Either a gas burner or an electric element heats the water. There are several advantages to replacing your old water heater with a tankless one. They have a smaller footprint, they are more efficient, you can control the temperature, and you have point-of-use options. Traditional water heaters are on average around 60 inches tall and 24 inches wide. That bulky metal tank takes up precious space. In comparison, a tankless water heater averages between 20 inches wide by 28 inches tall and just 10 inches deep, the size of some laptop computers. Another thing to consider, since these are tankless, there isn't a risk of the tank bursting, so you have more options when it comes to selecting the perfect place to install in your home. Tankless water heaters are sometimes called heaters on demand. Instead of using energy to keep a large tank of water hot for 24 hours, the tankless heater only warms up the water when it's needed. Through patented self-modulating technology, the tankless water heater regulates exactly how much energy is needed for the amount of water being used. The digital temperature control can be adjusted in increments of 1 degree Fahrenheit. It ranges from 80 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to have control and the ability to set it and forget it. Small units are great at the point of use. For instance, for a shower, a point-of-use tankless water heater supplies a steady stream of hot water, even when people are using water in other areas of the house. Other areas where these would work well: under the kitchen sink, near a washing machine, in a guest house, or on a boat or RV. If you're looking for a space-saving way to heat your water effectively and efficiently, these tankless water heaters could be the answer.
Here comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.
The perfect blend of ingenuity and convenience. This is an expression of luxury and function for your bath. No more foggy mirrors, always a clearly illuminated reflection, even when the room is covered in steam. Our Smart Touch dimmer remembers the setting last time it was on. Luxury also means attention to the smallest details. Perfect task lighting ensures you always look your best, day or night. Higher CRI values represent a better color rendering and a more accurate reflection.
The toothbrush is a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. You can never keep them clean. For this reason, we have designed professional toothbrush sterilizing station. This is the TidyTech LZZY. By using the UVC light and inside photocatalyst, TidyTech kills 99.99% of all bacteria on the head of your toothbrush. TidyTech is solar powered and recharged by any visible light, including sunlight and indoor light. With the infrared smart induction system, TidyTech is activated when people is nearby and kill the bacteria automatically. Without external power, TidyTech can be settled freely. You can put it on table or hang it on the wall.